To add Amazon affiliate links to your GoDaddy website, start by signing up for the Amazon Associates program if you have not already done so. This program allows you to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products on your website. Next, log into your Amazon Associates account and navigate to the Product Linking tab. Here you can search for the products you want to promote and generate affiliate links. You can choose from various link types such as text and image links, or even use the Amazon Site Stripe tool to generate links directly from the Amazon website. Once you have generated your affiliate link, log into your GoDaddy website builder and navigate to the page where you want to add the link. Click on the Add section or Add Block button to add a new text or HTML section, depending on the type of link you want to add. If you are adding a text link, simply copy and paste the affiliate link into the text editor. If you are adding an image link, you will need to upload the image to your GoDaddy website and then add the affiliate link to the image using the image settings. When adding affiliate links, make sure to follow Amazon's operating agreement and disclose your affiliation with Amazon to your website visitors. You can do this by adding a disclaimer to your website, such as a statement indicating that you may earn a commission from purchases made through your affiliate links. To track your affiliate earnings, navigate to the Reports tab in your Amazon Associates account. Here you can view your earnings, track your affiliate links, and optimize your affiliate marketing strategy. By following these steps, you can easily add Amazon affiliate links to your GoDaddy website and start earning commissions from your website traffic. Remember to always follow Amazon's operating agreement and disclose your affiliation with Amazon to your website visitors.